Hello children, today we are going to learn Computer Science of Standard 7, Computer Fundamentals. Come, let's enter into this video session.
Children, in this chapter, we are going to learn about computer fundamentals. A computer is an electronic data processing machine capable of performing millions of operations at tremendous speed. It has the capacity of storing large volume of data which can be used in future. A computer follows the instructions given by the user without any strain, self thinking, or reasoning. With the above qualities, computers can be used in almost all fields. We need a definite language to communicate with computers. Such language is termed as computer language. A computer language consists of various symbols, characters, statements, and a proper syntax that an individual uses to communicate with the computer and vice versa. Computer language is basically classified into two types: low level language, high level language. Low level language are understood by the computer in a better way. They are more compatible with the hardware of the computer system and consist of binary codes and mnemonic codes. Further, low level language is classified into machine language and assembly language. Machine language. Machine language is the lowest form of computer language. This is the only language that is understood by the computer in its own form. Program coding is done in the form of binary digits, and hence it is necessary to give precise instructions to the computer to perform any operation. This language is also called as binary language. It is tedious and time consuming for writing instruction in machine language because they use only binary numbers, digits 0 and 1. Also, the rules of the machine language is dependent on one particular system. Thus, the programmer has to remember all the codes of the respective machine language. The programs written in machine language are also called as object programs. In first generation computers, only machine language was used for developing even simple programs. The advantage is that a program written in machine language runs very fast as no translation is required. Assembly language, also called as symbolic language, was mainly developed to reduce the burden of the programmer. This language uses alphanumeric symbols called mnemonics. The mnemonics are basically 2 to 4 letters written in an abbreviated form, which is used for performing any operation. Some mnemonics are in its description or given below: add, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, stores the value in, reads the value from an input device, out, sends the value to the output device. High level language was developed in mid 1950s. This language is widely used by the programmers to communicate with the computer. Unlike symbolic languages, high level language uses a combination of English words and mathematical symbols. It is easier to learn. It requires a unique rule called syntax for writing statements, which are specific to the language. Some of the popular high level languages are Basic, COBOL, Fortran, Pascal, C, Visual Basic, C++, Java, Perl, and Prolog. Fortran means formula translation was the first high-level language developed by IBM in 1956. Advantages of high-level language: it is user friendly. It is similar to English with vocabulary of words and symbols. Therefore, it is easier to learn. It requires less time to write. It is easy to maintain. It's a problem oriented rather than machine based. It is machine independent. Example: programs developed in high level language can be run on any computer. Software and its types. The set of instructions given to the computer in the form of programs to do desired work is known as software. There are two types of software. They are system software, application software. This system software is further divided into operating system utilities. In operating system we have MS-DOS, Windows 98, Unix, Linux, etc. Utilities divided into two: editors, translators. In application software, word processors, DBMS, electronic spreadsheet. System software. These are programs written in machine language code OS and 1S by the computer manufacturers. These programs are used to control the performance of the computer system and remains in the computer's memory as long as the system is on. Example: utilities and operating system. Utilities are programs that help us speed up and simplify the use of computers. They are written to enhance the communication between user and machine to improve programming efficiency. Some of the utilities are editor, translator, etc. Editor. Editors are interactive system programs that allow the user to write programs, generate text, or to make a variety of changes to text. Translator. As the name denotes, these software are used to translate any high level language HLL program into low level language LLL program. There are two types of translators, namely interpret and compiler. Operating system. Operating system acts as an interface between the user and the computer system. They also manage the activities of the system to let the user manage the system effectively. When the computer is switched on, the operating system is the first program to be loaded in the computer's memory. Some of the operating systems are an MS-DOS, Windows 95 by 98, Windows XP, Windows 7 by 8, Mac, Android, Unix, Linux, Apple i3, etc. MS-DOS was the first operating system developed by Microsoft Company in 1969. Application software. Application software is a set of programs written for the user to do a specific job. They are uniquely constructed and are used only for identical jobs to meet the user's requirement. Some standard application softwares are word processor, database management system, electronic spreadsheet, desktop publishing. Word processor. A word processor is a package which helps in creating documents such as letters, text, reports, etc. These packages have some inbuilt commands for modifying the keyed in text like aligning paragraph, text wrap, underlining, highlighting a particular text, etc. They also help us to take any number of printouts of the documents in the desired format. Example: Aksar, Morse, MS Word, Star Writer, etc. Database Management System. It is a complex software system used for creating, maintaining, sorting, and retrieving the database. It also acts as an interface between the user and the data, serving as a base. A database can be defined as an integrated collection of data and information, which is utilized by several subsystems of an organization. Example: DBase, FoxPro, MS Access, Storebase, Oracle, SQL Server, IBM, DB2, etc. Electronic spreadsheet. An electronic spreadsheet is a software package which manipulates the data in tabular form, columns and rows. The spreadsheet has rows and columns where it can be altered according to the user's need. They help us in analyzing the information either by pictorial representation, graphs, or in the form of text. Example: Simeon, MS Excel, Store, Calc, etc. There are some more application software title program packages or user end packages. These software are generally written in high level languages or in application software that can be slightly altered to fit individual needs. Example: payroll, inventory, invoice, etc. Desktop publishing. Desktop publishing software package helps a user to produce typographical text and images in a printed form. An important feature of DTP is that they enable the user to see on the screen exactly how the document will appear when printed. A system that supports these features is called WYSWYG. What you see is what you get. Desktop publishing refers the use of computers to produce documents for publication. These documents are of high quality, containing text and graphic formatted on a single page. DTP is commonly used in designing wrappers, banners, books, brochures, and magazines. Example: PageMaker, Microsoft Publisher, Corel Draw. Concept of Unicode. Unicode provides unique number for every character. Unicode uses 16-bit code to represent one character. Therefore, there are 65,536 possible characters. It is an international standard multilingual word processing code which provides text in all forms and languages like Tamil, Telugu, Hindi, Greek, Arabic, etc. The Unicode was developed by Unicode Consortium in California in 1991. Some of the Unicode versions and the year of development are as follow. Now you can able to see the Unicode versions year of development. Unicode for alphabets A to Z. The following table shows the Unicode for the alphabets A to Z in hexadecimal notation. Computer networks. Computer network refers to the computer system interconnected through cables or satellites. It is a communication system that supports many users. The peripheral devices such as modems, hard disk, CD-ROM drives, data backup device, fax machine, etc. can be shared using the network technology. People in different places can be connected in one network so that information can be passed on to different locations anywhere in the world. Advantages of network. Computer network provides several advantages. Some of them are listed below. Resource sharing. Resources like fax, printer, scanner, data backup devices are shared within nodes in a network. Information sharing. Data or views are exchanged among the computers in the network. Communication. In a network, the user can communicate easily through the nodes. Types of network. Network can be classified into following types based on distance capability. They are PAN, it's a personal area network; LAN, local area network; WLAN, wireless local area network; HAN, home area network; NAN, metropolitan area network; WAN, wide area network. Personal area network. A personal area network is a computer network used for communicating between the computer and different technological devices used for a person. It is also used to connect computerized devices such as phones and personal digital assistant. It is used to transfer data files such as email, appointments, reminders, music, photos, and videos. It can either be connected with the help of cable wires or can be wireless. The reach of PAN extends up to 10 meters. LAN, Local Area Network. LAN is a digital communication system capable of interconnecting large number of computers to the main computer within a short distance using cables. It is a private network and it can be used within the range of 10 kilometers. It is controlled by a single organization. The devices such as computers, printers, etc. that are connected to the network are known as nodes, and in turn they are connected to a main computer called file server. The purpose of LAN is to allow nodes to the network to communicate with each other and to share resource information. Wireless local area network. A wireless local area network provides wireless network communication over short distances using radio signals, infrared light, or laser beams. Nowadays, these signals are used instead of the traditional network cabling in cell phones to share data, music, videos, pictures, etc. Home area network. Home area network is a type of local area network which connects digital devices such as PCs, mobile phones, entertainment, technology, thermostats, home security system, etc. It is used to share a single internet connection between the digital device in the home. It is used to share photos, MP3s, data files, etc. Metropolitan Area Network. MAN is a private network. It can be owned operated by public utilities too. It interconnects the user with computers in an area larger than the area covered by LAN. This network system interconnects various places in a metropolitan city, town, or large campus. Several local area networks can be interconnected by bridging them with backbone lines, and it is known as campus network. MANs are extremely efficient and provide fast communication. Example: local cable TV network. Wide area network. Wide area network spans a wide geographical area. It can assume global proportions with large organizations. Unlike LAN and MAN, it is a public network system that interconnects people in different countries and continents either by telephone lines, satellites, links, etc. WAN generally has very large storage capacity and is mostly used in railways, airport reservation center, telephone system, mobile system, education and research field. The internet is an example of wide area network as it connects man and lands around the world. It can also be privately owned or rented. The speed of WAN ranges from 1 Gbps to 100 Gbps. Example, AirPanet.